the last question. Is it necessary to learn English?
It depends on person whether he
Mm-hmm.
wants to learn English or not. Mostly
Mm-hmm.
people have curiosity that they want to learn good English. They want to learn nice English, fluent English. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but many people don't have interest to learn English.
Mm-hmm.
They find
So it depends.
difficult language. How will I speak this? How can I
Mm-hmm.
do this? How can I learn this? They fear about it.
Right,
So,
right. So
necessary to learn English. It depends on person.
right, right. So it is like a totally dependent on the people who wants to learn English or who
Yes.
those don't want to learn English. So it's excuse me. So it's not necessary that everyone should learn English, right? So like that's the point which is coming out.
Yes, it is a language. It is not a subject. Just
Right,
Hindi, just like
right. It's
Telugu.
just a language. Yeah, yeah.
One
So
person,
yeah. Mm-hmm.
whether
Right,
he
right.
wants.
Got it, got it. So it's like depending on the people, like whoever wants to learn, they can learn. Whoever don't want, they can, whatever language they know, they can start speaking. So Vaishali, like from past how many months or how many years you are taking the classes for the students?
I am taking online classes from 2 months, and
Mhm.
I have been teaching in a school for 4 years, and I have been
Oh,
teaching
good.
there.
So you teach English
I have
subject, right?
Yes, I take English subject and online
Mm-hmm.
classes from Corona. Corona has started. After then,
Mm-hmm.
I have started to take online classes.
Okay, so you also started doing online. So that's really good. That's really good transition which you have done. And taking online nowadays, like everything, education, e-commerce, and all are booming. And education, if you're doing online, it will boost you a lot. It is like it will get you all the results what you want. So keep doing. And any experience you have in past 4 years, like you want to share, you want to tell people about communication.
Yes, yes. In
Mm-hmm.
school, what happens? There are syllabus. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
literature portion is there, and one grammar portion is there. So I have to teach both. People,
Okay.
students are not able to learn spoken English. They have one
Mm-hmm.
period of spoken English, but they get little time for that. Only 30 minutes they get. So they are not able to good fluent English. So I
Mm-hmm.
teach and I have to complete according to the curriculum syllabus of CBSE. We have to complete syllabus in 1 year. So we teach them according to the syllabus. And general
Okay.
talking, we do general talking. We chat them, we talk them in
Nice.
English.
Mm-hmm. Nice, nice. That's really good, really good. Like it's really very good. Teaching field is really what I like. Teaching field, to be very honest, I like the teaching field because you are inspiring many kids, you are inspiring your students by teaching whichever subject you have mastered. And English communication is like a must. All the students should know how to speak, and you are really doing good job so that whenever they grow, they can speak very fluently, and
Yes, yes, yes.
whichever field they are going, they can communicate in English also. So that's really very good thing which you are doing. And like
Think
I
the
want to tell you something. Yeah, 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 please tell me.
that we are building the basic of a student now. In
Right,
at the age of
right,
so
right. So the building base is really important for all the students, and you are doing that task. It will matter a lot for all the students. So like I want to share my personal example. Like when I was in engineering, I feared to speak. I was not that fluent, and I didn't have that confidence. And there is like in fourth sem or fifth sem, like we need to give seminars, like whatever project you have done, you need to tell about it. So at that time, like I had like fear of how do I communicate, how do I speak. So I had that fear in my mind, but somehow I completed that with that fear, with that confidence. But after that, I realized that it didn't went effectively. What I spoke was just because of that fear and lack of confidence. Then I realized that no, I need to master this skill, which is communication. And I started working on it, and I started speaking more. I started reading books. I started following Gary Vee and all. and then slowly I got job also, and it happened only because I started speaking well. So that is really very important. Like, you need to start speaking very fluently, very confidently, so then you start getting results also. So that was my personal example which I wanted to tell you.
Okay, that's great. Nice
Yeah. So
experience.
thank you so much. Yeah. So Vaishali, like, you have any another experience, anything new or anything which has like impacted your life, like any experience with your student getting good results, or anything in your journey which has happened and which has brought that great impact on you.
Actually, what happened? This is not my stream. English is
Mm-hmm.
not my stream, and
Okay.
I have done engineering
Okay.
in 2000.
Nice.
After then, I have started to teach in school. Then during
Okay.
teaching, MA in English literature, and
Mm-hmm.
I started continuously
Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
teaching, and now I am having interest in English also. So I want to build my career in this English
All the
language.
best. All the best to you. All the best. You're really doing good. And yeah. So you told that you have done engineering also, right?
Yes, yes.
So after doing
Now
engineering,
I
you have
am.
started this like taking online classes and teaching to the students, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Good, good, good. That's
So
like you like, this is what you loved in your life, right? You wanted to teach people. You wanted to teach English to the people, right?
I want to teach
Yeah.
adults. In this way, I have to improve my communication skills as well as the communication skills of my student also.
Right, right. Good, 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 good. Yeah, keep going, keep going. And I wish you all the best, Vaishali. And any new experience with Rahul Bhatnagar's group, because you are a member of Rahul Bhatnagar family, and he has really helped a lot of us in terms of speaking, in terms of making that video, because we never had that confidence of creating, like, taking that mobile phone and opening that camera and start speaking. We didn't had any we didn't had any confidence, but because of Rahul sir's energy, with Rahul sir's mentorship, we started doing it. So how is the journey about Rahul's Bhatnagar going with you?
Um, Yes. First of all, I thank you so much to Rahul Bhattakar sir. He has given a lot for me. From beginning, I just got information from my brother. My brother lives in Nagpur. He
Okay.
told me about Rahul. I don't know about
Mm-hmm.
Rahul sir. Who is Rahul sir? Speaker. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know about it. He
Okay.
told me that Rahul sir is there. You follow the videos, you watch the videos of Rahul sir. So
Mm-hmm.
find it in YouTube. Then
Okay.
I saw in Facebook also. Then I have started. I have started making videos in Learn Public Speaking group. So
Okay.
in that group, I am very much in that group. During that time, I am very much inspired by Rahul sir, as I have seen the videos of Rahul sir. So I
Right.
am very much inspired. And
Same
after
here.
then,
Same
I
here.
in Corona time, I was having much time at that
Mm-hmm.
time. So time I started preparation of videos. Daily I make one video daily. So from that
Okay. Mm-hmm.
improved a lot. Means my
Mm-hmm.
confidence. I don't have confidence to speak in front of public. So from that
Right.
I get and
Right. Right. And yeah, yes, I can see that. I can see that because you are uploading daily. You are creating daily videos in Rahul's VIP group. Although that I haven't commented on any of your videos, but yeah, I will keep on checking everyone's post, because once we open Facebook, we see a lot of Rahul's VIP's groups content. So I keep on seeing, and I see you there where you keep on posting daily. So keep going, Vaishali. Like, I will wish you all the best. The job which you're
thank you,
doing is really good.
thank you.
Don't stop. Keep going. Keep inspiring more people. And as you have done the transition from offline to online, so you are taking online. So do more of online sessions, take more online classes, and it will surely help you. And wishing you all the best, Vaishali. And thanks for joining. Yeah, you have anything to tell at the last for like audience?
Yes,
Yeah, you have any
I
advice, any suggestion at the last?
this opportunity. Thank you so
Most
much for
welcome.
giving me this.
Most welcome, most welcome. So like in future again we will do some another session with another topic. We will come once again. And thanks for the time, thanks for the preparation, thanks for sharing that valuable knowledge and making this a meaningful session. So wishing you all
Thank
the
you.
best. Keep going, keep doing, and see you soon.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.